Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up PayPal transactions by downloading reports step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the PayPal website. Log into your PayPal account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate and click on the Activity tab at the top of the page. In the Activity section, look for the Statements option. Click on Statements to access the report generation feature. You will see various options for viewing your transaction history. Select the Custom option to create a tailored report. Choose the date range for the transactions you want to backup. After setting the date range, pick the type of report you need from the available options. You can choose between standard, detailed, or financial reports. Once you've made your selections, click on the Create Report button. Wait a few moments as PayPal generates your report. After the report is ready, you will see an option to download it. Click the Download button next to the generated report. Choose your preferred file format, such as CSV or PDF. The report will begin downloading to your device. Once the download is complete, locate the file on your device. Double-check the report to ensure it includes all necessary transactions. You have now successfully backed up your PayPal transactions by downloading the reports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.